How to create golden hour AI photo prompts with Gemini. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Google Gemini application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, what you simply need to do is paste or write any sort of prompts for the golden hour AI photo. What you can simply do is tap on the Ask Gemini option and simply paste the prompt that I have copied. So you can use this prompt as well. You can make any sort of editing or any sort of other changes as well, and then simply tap on send. So as you do that, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device, and if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So depending on your connection, the process will be faster or slower, so make sure you have a stable connection. And then as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the golden hour AI photo right here with Gemini. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.